What are you doing?
Taking apart a VCR.
Why?
Because there's good in a VCR.
Oh, okay. So this is my brother's diesel Jetta, and currently it has this issue where it doesn't smoke, and we're about to fix that. In order to do that, all we're doing is we've got our fuel harness here. We got pins 1 and 3, I think, connected, and we're going to put a 900 ohm resistor in there, and then it should smoke like crazy.
Peeled off a piece, but the piece didn't come. No.
So all we got is a 900 ohm resistor soldered between a couple of pieces of wire, and we're just going to slip a piece of shrink tube over top of that, and then stick it in. Should add that we have no clue what we're doing.
Yeah, so this might work.
Yeah, maybe.
I have a pretty sick shit in here. Or it might blow it up.
What is
Probably.
it? Sorry. We're using spade connectors to make this mildly removable, because it's probably not going to work because we don't know what we're doing. So I'm just going to start the car, and then he's going to connect this thing up while it's running, and we'll see what happens. If it's good, we'll leave it in there, and if it's bad, then we'll take it out.
And if it blows up, then I'm going to sleep here tonight.
Ready?
Ready?
So we did that wrong, probably. What'd you do, Chris?
I didn't do a good job.
And why?
Because I listened to you, I think, is why I didn't do a good job. But yeah, they're not in the right spot.
Which pins are they supposed to be on?
Well, I think they're supposed to be on pins 2 and 3.
Not 1 and 3?
I have done 1 and 3.
Okay.
Because, you know, I'm like really smart.
Is it plugged in already?
No. Oh. The whole thing's not plugged in. I should
Yeah,
probably
if you
do
plug
that.
in the injector harness, yeah, it usually runs better.
Is that what you were asking if it's plugged in?
Yeah.
Okay, now you should fire.
Okay.
Give her some gas.
So that's maybe how you kind of do the every mod thing. Don't know if it works yet. We'll find out later. But now we're under the car. Doing exhaust stuff.
Oh, and I should point out, this is Carl's work when he was about 16.
No, this is Austin's. I haven't touched this car.
This was you and Austin.
No, I haven't touched
This was you and Austin.
I have not touched this thing. I don't even remember.
I remember you doing this.
I don't even know what that is. It's flexi tubing of some sort, but I don't remember. I don't think I did that.
When I was telling him we were gonna do exhaust work on here, and he said, dryer hose? And that's what's in there?
That was a joke. I thought you were gonna put dryer hose out the back and make a stack out of it. I didn't mean I already put dryer hose in your car.
It as a joke one time. And then you did it.
Did I do that too?
I'm thinking you did that.
Take the muffler off and just leave it? Yeah, let's make our car sound better. Let's just cut the muffler off. I guarantee that wasn't me.
That was you. I remember you and Austin doing that. It was just before you lowered it.
We're gonna take the thing for a drive and see if it makes any difference. So far it hasn't changed the idle at all. It doesn't seem like it's making any more smoke, but take it for a drive and see what happens. Lack of traction doesn't really help you.
I think it has more power, but that might just be like the snow.
I don't know. Maybe. A bit more. Oh, it's really hard to tell with all this fresh snow.
Yeah, when it's sucking up, it feels like it's pulling harder.
A little bit. Your glow plug light is still linking up.
Yeah, I read that was normal.
Okay, so we did it right then. Well, I forgot to film an outro for this video, but thank you guys for watching. You can find me on Instagram at I Like Autos Daily.